everybody. I thought I would come on here to do a packing up an order video. I have had my first order since the flood. We've been able to finally get back into our house and I've been able to start creating again, so I thought I would share this with everybody. So what was ordered was several bracelets of turquoise and black agate, and then one red agate with black agate, and then an amethyst with a pink quartz or rose quartz. Yeah, this order was done by Crafty Slaughter, and I do appreciate her being my first customer now that I'm back on my feet. I will link her information in the description. So let's get started. So I've got all of the bracelets that she's ordered, and then I'm going to put each one of them in one of these little bags. These are fun little bags. And then I have the little tags that go with them. I did a turquoise. It just gives you a couple keywords and then a brief description for each of them, for the black onyx agate, and then the turquoise. Turquoise is for protection, healing, and communication. The black onyx is protection, grounding, and emotional healing, or emotional strength actually. And then I did for the amethyst and the rose. Amethyst is intuition, protection, and spiritual growth. Rose, of course, is love, healing, and compassion. And then we got the black onyx with the red agate. And red agate is the protection, passion, grounding, and the black is protection, grounding, and emotional strength. Alright, so I've got my little bags. I'm going to put one bracelet in for each bag with their tags. And then I also have my business card that I will be putting in there, and that will have my email or my website on there, carascurios.com, along with all of the social medias that I have set up. I haven't done a whole lot on any of my social medias, and then it also has my email address on the front, carascurios@gmail.com, and that way if anyone wants to get a hold of me, they can. And as you can tell, this is my first video since I've gotten back into everything, and I actually haven't done one with me actually sitting in front of the camera talking. So this is definitely new for me. But I really wanted to show my appreciation to Crafty Slaughters for making this order for me and supporting my small business. And hopefully I can help with hers, support her. And I just love these little bags. They are so much fun. It's great for my little products like the bracelets and necklaces and my little bottle trees. To the black agate and red agate. And then rose quartz and amethyst. And then I also wanted to do a little baggie for the purchaser. She did wanted one of the black agates with the turquoise. So I got that, and then I also thought I would throw in a couple of my little bottle trees. I have garnet and then carnelian. Garnet's for fashion and protection and transformation, and then the carnelian is creativity, courage, and vitality. I thought she would like these little gifts in there. Alright. And there we have it. That is all of the little baggies. Here. Okay. Now I need to get a bag. I've got these boxes to help with packaging. I got them originally for my catchers. That way I could ship out all of my catchers whenever someone wanted to order one. We got some bubble wrap. This will fit perfect for all of these. Put hers right on top, that way she knows it's hers. There we go. Thank you for joining me on this, my first purchase, my first order, now that I am back in business. If you want to get a hold of me and order anything, you can always go on my website and look at carlascurios.com. I've got my trees, my bottle trees, bracelets, and necklaces, all kinds of items.